Today I'm going to show you how to use BitLocker on Windows 11 to encrypt USB flash drives. This can be useful if you store sensitive files and want to protect them in case your USB drive is lost or stolen. Please note that this feature is only available with Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise and Education. Windows 11 Home doesn't support this feature. To do this, click on the search icon, type BitLocker. Now click on Manage BitLocker. Make sure your flash drive is connected to a USB port on your laptop. Next to your removable drive, click Turn on BitLocker. You now have the option to choose how to unlock your drive. You can either use a password or a smart card. I will use a password. Enter the password twice, then click Next. You can now back up your recovery key. You can either save it to a file or print it. I will choose to print it. Next, you can choose how to encrypt your drive. You can either encrypt using disk space only, this option is faster and best for new drives, or encrypt the entire drive. This option is slower but best for drives already in use. I will choose Encrypt used disk space only. Now click Next. Now choose which encryption mode to use. The compatible mode is best for removable drives. Click Next. Finally, click Start Encrypting. The encryption process will now begin. This may take some time depending on the size of your drive and how much data is stored on it. Once the process is complete, your USB drive will be protected with BitLocker encryption. Each time you plug it into a computer, you will need to enter your password to access the files. All done. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video.